Hey, can I ask you something? Have you ever felt like people just don't respect you the way they should? Maybe you say something and no one listens, but when someone else repeats the same thing, suddenly everyone pays attention. Yeah, I know that feeling. And honestly, it hurts, right? But here's the truth. Respect isn't something people give you. It's something you create through how you carry yourself. So today, let's talk about 5 psychological tricks that will make people respect you instantly. And trust me, by the end, you'll start seeing a difference the moment you walk into a room. The first one, don't react, stay calm. You know what's rare? Someone who stays calm when things get messy. When people yell or try to bring you down, don't react, just breathe. Look them in the eye, smile a little, and stay silent. That calm energy shocks people. It says, you can't shake me. And that's when they start respecting you, even if they don't like you. The second one, look people in the eyes. Not like a staring contest, but softly, with confidence. When you look into someone's eyes while listening, they feel seen, they feel you're grounded, and people respect those who make them feel seen. Try it. Next time you're in a conversation, hold that eye contact for a second longer. You'll notice it changes everything. The third trick, speak less but speak with meaning. You don't need to talk a lot to sound smart. Actually, the more you talk, the more people stop listening. Pause before you speak. Think. And when you say something, make sure it actually means something. When you speak with intention, people lean in instead of looking away. The fourth one, respect yourself first. Sounds cliche, right? But listen, if you don't respect yourself, no one else will. The way you walk, the way you talk to yourself in your mind, the way you handle rejection, all of it teaches people how to treat you. So stop apologizing for existing. You are allowed to take space. The fifth one, walk like you know where you're going. Even if you're lost, walk like you're not. Keep your back straight, your eyes up, and your pace steady. Your body language speaks before your words ever do. People can sense energy, confidence, purpose, direction. Fake it for a while, until it becomes real. Listen, you don't need to beg anyone for respect. You just need to show them who you really are. Calm, focused, and grounded. Apply these 5 small things in your daily life, and you'll see people treating you differently. Not because you changed who you are, but because you finally started owning it.